Christmas trees on the side of the road. Just follow them. They will take you all the way to the King's Palace. Follow the pine trees. They will take you straight to the King's Palace. So these are some of the of the designs right here that talks about the people of Tonga right there. But if you go to Fiji, Samoa, they have their own different designs. Talks about their history over there, our history, also the history of Fiji. But you see this fruit right here, cousins? What is this fruit? Well, actually, these are seeds. Pandanus. You guys saw the pandanus tree? I'll show you, but I don't know if you see that coconut tree right there. Behind it, there's another tree with the roots coming out of the ground. That's a pandanus tree, and these are the seeds from that tree. It looks like a pineapple far away, right? But we use this seed to get the designs on it, on the top of cloth. Forgot to mention this is a stencil made from the inner, midrib of the coconut leaf. We put it to designs, and we just put the topper on it, and we just color it using those colors and the designs. Like in school, the coin paper on it, and then to get the details of the design, that's how we use this seeds of this pandanus tree as a paintbrush. Get the small details of the design. So, cousins, see, because 100 years ago, before when missionaries came to the islands, the explorers, they thought that we Polynesians didn't wear anything. But to their surprise, when they came to the islands, we had clothing on. And these are our clothing, the tapa cloth. But nowadays, like I said before in the bus, the reason why we use this material because it's to get, easy to make. Yeah? You just go to the store. But this is still used by the people of in the islands, especially the chiefs, for their clothing. So now you know what a tapa cloth looks like, right, family? Yeah. So if anyone tells you asks you what a tapa cloth looks like, you can just tell them it's from the bark of the tree, and it takes a long time to process. But any other questions, family, before we move on to our show area? Is everyone still happy? Yeah. Clap your stuff. Let's walk over there, find seats in the shade, and we'll enjoy the show. This is my hand.
Pop.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's okay.